Options are first artist, B Indian civilization and culture, C the earth, D I have a dream. Here you have to tell that this sentence is taken from which lesson. I hope you know the answer. Your answer is option B Indian civilization and culture. Let's see next question. Question number 2 is Gandhiji died at the hands of a fanatic on. When Gandhiji died? Gandhiji was died in 30th January 1948 by Nathuram Godse. He was killed by Nathuram Godse on 30th January 1948. So your correct answer is option B. Come to question number 3. I believe that the civilization India has evolved is not to be beaten in the world is from. Your options are Indian civilization and culture, B India's through a traveler's eyes, C the earth, D भारत इज माई होम. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको बताना है यह लाइन किस लेसन से ली गई है. आपका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन एंड कल्चर से इस सेंटेंस को लिया गया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है आवर फोरफादर्स डिड नॉट इन्वेंट मशीनरी बिकॉज. हमारे पूर्वजों ने मशीनरी इन्वेंट नहीं किया, क्यों? योर ऑप्शंस आर दे न्यू दे वुड बिकम स्लेव्स, बी दे न्यू वी वुड बी हैप्पी, सी दे did not like to see us comfortable, they were jealous of us. हमारे पूर्वजों ने मशीनरी को नहीं बनाया क्योंकि they knew they would become slaves, we would become slaves. Sorry, option is mistake here. Here the right answer is A and the answer is they knew we would become slaves. Okay, this is your correct answer. Okay, let's see next question. Question number 5 is Mahatma Gandhi has written the lesson. Among your all chapters, which chapter is written by Mahatma Gandhi? You have to say in this question. Your options are I have a dream, the artist, Indian civilization and culture, Bharat is my home. So your correct answer is Indian civilization and culture is written by Mahatma Gandhi, which is taken from which book? My Experiment with Truth. My Experiment with Truth. Okay guys, okay, question number 6 is pharaohs were rulers of ancient. pharaohs कहाँ के रूलर थे? Your options are A Russia, B Egypt, C India, D Greece. pharaohs were ruler of ancient Egypt. So your right answer is option B. Let's see question number 7. Dash were rulers of ancient Egypt. अभी आपने देखा आपका आंसर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में है. सो प्लीज़ आप इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर कमेंट करें. हम आते हैं दूसरे क्वेश्चन में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. सिविलाइजेशन इज द स्टेट ऑफ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ डैश. सिविलाइजेशन इज द स्टेट ऑफ व्हाट? एनिमल्स, birds, non-living things or people. Civilization is the state of development of people. So option A is your right answer. Okay dear, come to question number 9. Gibbon is associated with dash. गिबन किससे एसोसिएटेड है? आपके ऑप्शंस हैं A इटली, B स्वीडन, C रसिया, D अमेरिका. योर आंसर इज A Italy. Gibbon is associated with Italy. Okay, Question number 10 is European civilization will mean dash for India. European civilization will mean dash for India. Your options are A. Want, B. Living, C. Real, D. Ruin. Your right answer is option D. Ruin for India. European civilization will mean ruin for India. Okay. Question number 11 is simple living and high thing is the base of which civilization? Your options are American civilization, Indian civilization, European civilization and none of these. सादा जीवन उच्च विचार किस सिविलाइजेशन का बेस है? आपका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन। सादा जीवन उच्च विचार जो है भारतीय सभ्यता की बेस है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 है आपका इंडियन ग्लोरी इज दैट इट इज। योर ऑप्शंस आर इमूवेबल, मूवेबल, अनसिविलाइज्ड, इग्नोरेंट। इंडियन ग्लोरी कैसा है? इमूवेबल है, मूवेबल है, अनसिविलाइज्ड है, असभ्य है, इग्नोरेंट है। योर आंसर इज immovable and is a property of Indian civilization. Question number 30 is Dash was a spiritual leader than a politician. कौन थे जो एक नेता से ज़्यादा वो आध्यात्मिक लीडर थे? आपके ऑप्शंस हैं ए नेहरू जी, बी सरदार पटेल, सी महात्मा गांधी, डी इंदिरा गांधी। सो आपके करेक्ट आंसर है महात्मा गांधी, जो कि भारत के राष्ट्रपिता है। वो एक नेता से ज़्यादा आध्यात्मिक लीडर थे। ओके फ्रेंड्स, और क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 इज माई एक्सपेरिमेंट विथ ट्रूथ वॉज रिटन बाई। आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस book, My Experiment with Truth. So do you know the answer of this question? Please comment. But I will tell answer of this question to you. So My Experiment with Truth, this chapter, your Indian civilization and culture, is taken from this book, My Experiment with Truth. So who has written this lesson? Mahatma Gandhi. So Mahatma Gandhi is your correct answer. Question number 50 is the mind is restless dash. What? Mind is what? Restless dash. The more it gets, the more it wants. Your options are A bird, B dog, C cow, D monkey. Mind क्या है? Mind एक restless bird है। जितना इसको मिलती है इतना वो इसकी इच्छाएं बढ़ती है। इसकी इच्छाओं की पूर्ति नहीं की जा सकती है। हमारे माइंड जो है ऐसा है। सो द राइटर हैज सेड द माइंड इज रेस्टलेस बर्ड। सो ऑप्शन ए इज योर राइट आंसर।